Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of setting up and running Facebook ads for your Shopify store in the easiest way possible. Make sure to watch the entire video to understand every step clearly. To begin, ensure your Shopify store is comprehensively established. This includes detailed product listings with high-quality images, compelling descriptions, accurate pricing, and a seamless checkout process. A fully developed store is crucial for effective advertising and customer retention. Moreover, invest in a professional and visually appealing design, as a well-structured website significantly enhances user experience and boosts conversion rates. Consider customizing your chosen theme to align with your brand identity, ensuring intuitive navigation and mobile responsiveness. Prior to launching, rigorously test all functionalities, including payment gateways and shipping settings, to provide a flawless shopping experience for your customers. To effectively integrate Facebook with your Shopify store, it's essential to establish a Facebook business page. Begin by logging into your personal Facebook account, as it's required to create and manage a business page. Navigate to the Pages section on the left-hand menu and click Create New Page. Provide your page's name, select up to 3 relevant categories, and write a brief description outlining your business's offerings. After clicking Create Page, enhance your page's appeal by adding a high-quality profile picture, such as your company logo, and a cover photo that reflects your brand identity. Complete the setup by entering essential business details, including contact information, location, and operating hours. A well-optimized Facebook business page not only establishes your online presence, but also fosters customer trust and engagement, which are crucial for successful Shopify integration. To effectively manage your business's presence on Facebook and Instagram, setting up Meta Business Suite is essential. This all-in-one platform streamlines your social media activities, allowing for efficient content creation, scheduling, and advertising. Begin by navigating to business.facebook.com. Click on the Create Account button and log in using your personal Facebook credentials. You'll be prompted to enter your business name, your name, and a business email address. After submitting these details, your Meta Business account will be established. Once your account is set up, link your existing Facebook page to centralize management. In the Meta Business Suite dashboard, navigate to Settings in the lower left corner, then select Business Assets. Click on Add Assets and choose Add a Page to connect your existing Facebook page. If you don't have a page yet, you can create one during this process. If you have team members or partners who need access, you can assign roles with specific permissions. In Settings, navigate to People and click Add People. Enter their email addresses and assign roles such as admin or employee, controlling their access levels to your business assets. To integrate your Shopify store with Facebook and Instagram, start by accessing your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to Settings and select Apps and Sales Channels. Click on Shopify App Store to open the app marketplace. In the search bar, type Facebook and Instagram and locate the official app developed by Meta. Click on it and proceed with the installation. After installation, open the app and follow the prompts to connect it to your Meta Business Suite account. This integration enables seamless synchronization between your Shopify store and your Facebook and Instagram accounts, allowing you to efficiently manage your social media presence, run targeted ads, and monitor performance metrics directly from your Shopify dashboard. By consolidating these platforms, you can streamline your marketing efforts and enhance your online store's visibility across major social media channels. To integrate your Facebook account with Shopify, begin by adding the Facebook sales channel within your Shopify admin panel. This integration enables you to reach a broader audience by showcasing your products directly on Facebook and Instagram. Ensure you have a Facebook Business Manager account linked to your business's Facebook page and an ad account with administrative access. Once connected, Shopify will prompt you to synchronize your product catalog, making your products available across Facebook Shop and Instagram Shopping. During this setup, you'll encounter data sharing options: enhanced, standard, and conservative. Opting for enhanced data sharing is recommended, as it leverages tools like the Facebook Pixel and Conversions API to provide comprehensive tracking and insights. This selection facilitates better analysis of store traffic and improves ad targeting through dynamic ads. Remember to update your privacy policy to inform customers about how their data is collected and used, ensuring transparency and compliance with data sharing practices. Before creating an ad, ensure that your Facebook Pixel is properly set up on your Shopify store. The Facebook Pixel is a tracking tool that helps measure ad performance and optimize targeting. Now, let's create a Facebook ad. Go to Meta Business Suite and click on Ads Manager. Click on Create to start a new campaign. First, select your campaign objective. Meta provides multiple objectives like awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. If you want more visitors to your Shopify store, choose traffic. If you want to increase sales, choose a sales. After selecting your objective, click Continue. Now, set up your campaign settings. Choose whether you want to use the recommended settings or manual settings. For beginners, recommended settings are a good choice. Name your campaign and move to the next step. It's best to name your campaigns based on the product you're advertising for easy tracking. In the next section, define your ad audience. You can select a location, age range, gender, and detailed interests for targeting. If you already have an existing audience, you can use that instead. Meta also allows you to create custom and lookalike audiences, which can be useful for retargeting previous visitors or reaching new potential customers similar to your existing buyers. Now, set your daily budget. Meta allows you to set a daily or lifetime budget. If you are starting out, begin with a small daily budget and scale as you see results. A good starting point is $5, $10 per day, increasing it gradually based on performance. Next, choose where your ad will be placed. You can allow Meta to automatically place ads on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network, or you can manually select platforms. Automatic placements are generally recommended, but you can test different placements to see what works best for your store. Now, create your ad. Choose an ad format such as a single image, carousel, or video. Upload your media, write compelling ad copy, and add a call to action button such as Shop Now. Your ad copy should be engaging and highlight the benefits of your product. If you're using a video ad, ensure it captures attention within the first few seconds. Once everything is set, review your ad details. If everything looks good, click on Publish. Facebook will review your ad, and once approved, it will start running. After launching your ad, monitor its performance in Ads Manager. Check key metrics such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on ad spend. If your ad is underperforming, consider tweaking the audience, budget, or ad creative. To scale your ads, you can duplicate the best performing ads with a higher budget or test different variations of your ad creatives. A/B testing different headlines, images, and audience targeting can help you identify what works best for your Shopify store. That's it. You have successfully set up and launched a Facebook ad for your Shopify store. Be sure to monitor your ad performance and optimize it based on the results. Running Facebook ads effectively takes testing and tweaking, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.